I'm Robin. This is Chet. And this is Chet and Robin's Sea Leg Journeys.
Sea Leg Journey.
Today it's Did You Know?
Did you know?
Did you know?
Did you know that gratuities are added daily per person onto your shipboard account?
Did you know that?
Because if you didn't, you might get a surprise.
Did you know that every time you order a drink, a gratuity is automatically added?
Seriously? So if I add another one, I'm double tipping?
You're double tipping,
How about
which
that?
is okay. No
That's
problem.
okay.
But did you know that it was automatically added?
Didn't know that. And did you know that the dining room, the main dining room, not specialty restaurants, but the main dining room is included in your fare? You don't have to wait for the bill to come.
Whoa.
You just get up and walk out. It's okay.
Dinner's on Chet! So, did you know that you can gain weight on a cruise?
No.
Yes.
They told me it was 0-calorie food, and they lied.
Okay, so typically we are guilty of trying to get our weight under control before we go on a cruise ship because we know we're going to gain weight. We just were on an 11-day cruise, and don't tell anyone, but I personally gained 7 pounds.
I only gained 9. How about that?
So, I don't know if you knew it, but you can gain weight on a cruise.
Hey, did you know that you can and should check your onboard account expenditures daily? Every day you should go down to the little machine or to the desk and check what you spent.
Boys.
Thank you. And check what you spent just to make sure your billing is correct. Don't wait till the end of the cruise.
So sorry, but the boys in the background are struggling over some toy.
Take after their mama.
So, did you know that there is a kids club on most ships?
What?
Yes, you can sign those kids up for a kids club. They have special events for the kids on some ships. They even have parents' night out on some ships.
What does it cost, though?
Well, it depends. They do have some services that are extra services, but the basic kids club, it's free.
Is it like one club, or are they in age groups or anything?
They're different age groups, yes. They split them up in age groups.
Can I go?
No, you cannot.
Crap. Well, did you know that you can book shore excursions, spa services, and prepay gratuities, gratuities online before sailing? And specialty restaurants, you can book those too.
How about that? Okay, so this is something that just really aggravates me. That you cannot pre-book the sanctuary, the chef's table, or the couple's villa.
The things that we want to pre-book.
Yes. The couple's villa is a special massage. But you on the Princess, it's called the sanctuary. It's the adult-only area with cabanas. It's really nice. Haven't got to go there yet because you have to book it when you get on the ship.
Yes. And guess what? They let people who are higher status than you get on the ship first, and they buy it all up. Well, did you know that ships do typically have an adult-only area, and sometimes they have a pool, sometimes a hot tub, and some of them are included in your fare. Some of them, like the sanctuary, you have to pay extra, but on some ships, it's actually free.
Yes. And did you know, I know this about Princess and Carnival, but I'm sorry I don't know about other cruise lines. You can get a veterans military discount. You can get a discount for being a shareholder.
It's not a discount.
Oh, it's not. I'm so sorry. It's not a discount. I stand corrected.
Onboard credit.
Onboard credit.
Onboard credit.
Onboard credit.
You just have to show your DD-214 and show them that you had an honorable discharge or that you're still active.
Yes.
And you get onboard credit. If you're a shareholder with 100 shares or more.
And now's the time to buy shares, by the way, because they're not sky high through the roof.
Ooh, that's right. It's a good time to buy them shares. Get them 100 shares now. And, yeah. And on a 7 or 6 day or less cruise, you get $50. And on a 7-day to 13 days, you get $100. And a 14-day or more, you get $250 for each of those.
Personally, I don't know. I get the benefit from him being a veteran and
a stockholder.
He makes us buy stock. I have no clue how much stock we have or what we have. All I know is I get onboard credit.
And our next 2-week cruise is going to be $500.
Woo! To spend on the ship?
Yes!
Money!
No spa this time.
So, another thing. Did you know that there are 3 ways to best beat seasickness?
I hope that doesn't include staying off the ship. What are they?
there's Dramamine,
Yeah.
which is a little pill you take. Works for some people, doesn't work for other people. There's the patch, which Chet is a huge fan of. The patch.
Patch baby. Patch baby.
Patch baby. And I personally drink a lot of ginger ale. Ginger ale kind of does it for me. So those are the 3 ways to beat seasickness.
Yeah, and if you know more, put them in the comment section. Or tell us about them. How about that? Okay. And
And the last thing on the list.
that's you.
Did you know that you can, for totally free,
Free?
no cost,
You get something for free?
Absolutely.
What is it? Tell me.
Subscribe to this channel.
Oh, yeah! I'm going to do that.
Leave a comment. We'd love to hear what you have to say. We'd love to hear some ideas about some videos that we should do. And we apologize that the boys in the background today did not behave very well. You hear those little toenails clicking on the floor? Bye, y'all.